Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into 9 foods that could be wreaking havoc on your pancreas. The pancreas is a VIP in digestion and blood sugar regulation. Certain foods can lead to serious health issues like inflammation, digestive problems, and even pancreatic cancer. Let's break down the top 9 foods you need to watch out for. Let's get to it. Let's kick things off with sugary drinks, soda, sweetened juices, energy drinks. These liquid sugar bombs force your pancreas to overproduce insulin, leading to insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Sugary drinks also contribute to weight gain and obesity, increasing the risk of pancreatic cancer. Next time, opt for water, unsweetened tea, or a healthier alternative. Your pancreas will thank you. 6. Next up, processed meats like bacon, sausage, and deli meats. These are loaded with unhealthy fats, sodium, and preservatives, contributing to inflammation and increasing the risk of pancreatic cancer. Enjoy processed meats in moderation and focus on whole, unprocessed foods. 4. Let's talk about fried foods. Unhealthy fats in fried foods can raise cholesterol, clog arteries, and contribute to heart disease. They also lead to inflammation, impair insulin production, and increase the risk of pancreatitis and pancreatic cancer. Try healthier cooking methods like baking, grilling, or air frying. Balance fried foods with fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. 6. Now let's address alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption is a major risk factor for pancreatitis, causing the pancreas to digest itself. While moderate drinking might not cause pancreatitis in everyone, be aware of the risks. If you experience symptoms like abdominal pain, nausea, or vomiting after drinking, see a doctor right away. 5. Next up, refined carbohydrates like white bread, white rice, and sugary cereals. These quickly break down into sugar, causing rapid blood sugar spikes and stressing your pancreas. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, and an increased risk of pancreatic cancer. Make simple swaps like whole grain bread and brown rice. Reach for fruit instead of sugary pastries. 6. Now let's talk about full-fat dairy products like whole milk, butter, and cheese. High in saturated fat, these can contribute to inflammation and increase the risk of pancreatitis and pancreatic cancer. Opt for low-fat or fat-free dairy products whenever possible. Consider plant-based milk alternatives like almond milk, soy milk, or oat milk. 5. Red meat, especially processed varieties like bacon and sausage, can increase your risk of pancreatic problems. Compounds formed when meat is cooked at high temperatures are linked to pancreatic cancer. Red meat is also high in saturated fat, contributing to inflammation. Limit your intake of red meat and choose lean cuts. Opt for healthier cooking methods like baking, grilling, or poaching. 6. Let's talk about artificial sweeteners found in diet sodas and sugar-free foods. Some studies suggest they can disrupt gut bacteria and negatively impact pancreatic function. Be mindful of your intake of artificial sweeteners. Gradually reduce your overall sugar intake and focus on whole, unprocessed foods. 5. High sodium foods can lead to high blood pressure, indirectly affecting pancreatic health. High blood pressure can damage blood vessels, reducing blood flow to the pancreas. Cook more meals at home and choose low-sodium options. Be mindful of hidden sources of sodium like processed foods and condiments. 5. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Making healthier food choices is one of the best ways to show your pancreas some love. Avoid or limit the foods we discussed and focus on a balanced, nutrient-rich diet. Take care of your pancreas and stay healthy.